Hey, what's going on guys? This is Alvi from Techitron, and in today's video I'm bringing you 5 apps that I believe every Bangladeshi needs to have on his or her smartphone. Now these apps were selected based on overall convenience, how nice and clean they look, as well as the functionality that they bring to you. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Number 1. Free Basics by Facebook. Now Free Basics by Facebook is an application that lets you access certain websites and services on the internet without having to pay for them. In Bangladesh, Grameenphone and Robi have partnered with Free Basics so that you can access websites like bikroy.com, Prothamalo, Wikipedia, and so on without having to pay mobile data. So that's the cool and convenient part. Now this thing, when it launched, was quite a bit of a controversy creator because a lot of people argued that it went against net neutrality. But regardless of your stance on the matter, this is a very useful thing to have because if you are subscribers of GP or Robi, you can access these services without having to pay for them. Number 2, Foodpanda. Now I know what you're thinking already. Oh, Hungry Naki number 1, Hungry Naki best, no. But from my experience, I can say that Foodpanda has offered the superior service, at least to me. Now Foodpanda is an app that lets you order food online from a wide range of restaurants in Dhaka city as well as some other cities in Bangladesh. Now the advantage of Foodpanda is that it also has this timer inside the application itself which lets you track your food, and that, from my experience, has let a lot of anxiety go slowly away from my head while I wait starving for my food. Now on the app you do have to pay a small delivery fee, and the time it takes for the food to arrive to you depends on where you are located based on where the restaurant is located. So that time varies quite a lot. But Foodpanda is a nice and clean app, and it offers the services that I have needed and has done a good and consistent job so far. Number 3, Uber. Now this app is a no-brainer. Uber is an app that lets you hail a car which will take you to your destination of choice. Through the application you can see the route that your car will take as well as an estimated cost for your trip. Now a lot of people may prefer using alternative means of transport or even walking, but I've found that in my experience Uber is one of those applications that are there to save you when you need it the most. So for example, suppose you have a trip planned or something, or you want to walk somewhere and it starts pouring rain. That is a moment where you'll use Uber and you'll just be so thankful that you can actually avail the service and get to your destination without making your suit get wet or whatever else. It's also great for when you need a ride at an odd hour when it might be difficult to find public transport, so keep that in mind as well. Number 4, Bikroy. Bikroy.com is Bangladesh's largest online marketplace, and through Bikroy you can actually search and buy and sell literally anything like electronics, vehicles, and even look for jobs and property. The app itself allows you to do all of that and use all of Bikroy's other services, but on top of that you can also chat directly with customers, post your ads quickly, or even use their promotional features. If you're already a user of Bikroy services, you definitely need to get this app as it's essential for anyone looking to buy and sell anything online. Number 5, SwiftKey Keyboard. SwiftKey Keyboard is an application that I've been using for almost 6 years, and I swear by it. It is one of the best keyboard applications out there in the market for both Android and iOS. Now the reason SwiftKey makes it onto this list is because you can use the keyboard to type across 5 different languages at the same time, including Bangla. To actually do that, you just have to download the language application pack and only swipe across the spacebar to access the different languages. And trust me, this is the best and fastest way to type in different languages onto your modern day smartphone. SwiftKey is considered by many to be the smartest keyboard on the market, and I definitely have to agree with it. It is a keyboard that is context aware and learns how you type. So in the long run, you'll find that you're actually typing a lot faster. The cherry on top is that you get to have a large selection of themes, which makes your typing experience more personal and more attractive. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. If you liked it and enjoyed it, definitely leave a thumbs up as well as subscribe. And if you think we should have mentioned a few more applications which didn't get a spot on this list, definitely leave them in the comment section below, and maybe I'll make a follow-up video about those. If you have any awesome idea which you want us to work on and make a future video about, then also leave them in the comments and I'll try to get that into reality. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. This has been Alvi from Techitron, and I will see you in the next one. Foodpanda Pitom Pauja. Number 1. Best burger in town. So I need to start this again. has better delivery from food. Number 2, hungry.
Oh my god, it's so hot! Blah.